You know that frustrating feeling when you're trying to get healthier, but everything seems to be working against you? Your skin's not glowing, your joints ache, and no matter what you eat, you just can't seem to shake off that sluggish feeling. I've been there too, and I used to think the answer lay in fancy collagen supplements. But then I discovered the gelatin trick. It's funny, because collagen and gelatin are often used interchangeably, but they're not the same thing. Gelatin is what your body can actually use to rebuild and repair itself. When you try the gelatin trick, you're giving your body the tools it needs to wake up without the bloat, to move without the pain. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, and I've seen the difference it's made in her life. She's got more energy. Her skin looks amazing, and she just seems to glow from the inside out. If you want to learn how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description for a simple, easy-to-follow guide. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some extra tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. Now, dive in and start feeling the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself.